In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage deposits and withdrawals on the Coinbase app. This guide is perfect for those new to cryptocurrency or anyone needing a refresher on navigating this popular platform. First off, make sure you have your Coinbase app open and ready. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom panel of your screen and tap on Assets. This is where you can view all the cryptocurrencies you currently hold and manage your cash balance. Now, let's talk about depositing. If you'd like to add some funds to your account, you have a couple of options. Tap on either deposit cash if you want to add funds from your bank account, or receive crypto if you're getting cryptocurrency from another wallet. After making that choice, it's time to select your payment method. Whether you're transferring from a debit card, bank account, or another crypto wallet, choose what's most convenient for you. Next, enter the amount you wish to deposit. Always double check this number, as we want to avoid any errors that might arise from inputting the wrong amount. Once you're confident everything is in order, go ahead and confirm the transaction. Coinbase will take it from there, and you should see your updated balance shortly. Shifting gears to withdrawals, if you want to take some cash out of your Coinbase account, you'll find the process just as simple. Begin by tapping on your cash balance displayed on the Assets page. From there, select Withdraw Cash. Much like your deposit options, you will need to choose your preferred withdrawal method. Whether you're planning to transfer funds back to your bank account or perhaps use PayPal for quicker access, make sure you pick the option that suits you best. Afterward, type in the amount you want to withdraw. Again, verify that this number is correct to avoid mistakes. Once everything is set, confirm your withdrawal. In both cases, whether it's depositing or withdrawing, patience is key. Transactions can take a little time to process, depending on the payment method and network congestion. If you're using traditional banking methods, it might be a few business days before all is said and done. However, cryptocurrency network transfers might process faster, so keep an eye on your account for updates. By taking these steps, you'll be able to smoothly manage deposits and withdrawals on Coinbase, giving you a handle on your financial dealings within the app. Remember, understanding these processes not only empowers you, but ensures your transactions are secure and efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.